Hello everyone and welcome back to another video from Wake&Tech. In this video, I'm going to show you how to share your location on the Bolt application. So let's get started right away. First of all, open up the Bolt application on your device. And if you haven't logged into your account already, proceed forward with your phone number and verification code or your email address and password. Once you are logged in and taken into the home page, if you wish to share your current location with someone, then just tap on the Where To option. You can then type in where you want to go in the destination box, and once you have chosen your destination, you will be asked to choose between your method of transportation. As soon as you choose your method and tap on the select button, this will start sending your location data to the various Bolt drivers that are available nearby your location. So this means that if you have your GPS location enabled within the app, this will directly send your location. If it is not enabled, then you will get a pop-up which will ask you whether you want to allow location access. Proceed forward with tapping the Allow button, and then your location will be shared right away. And there you have it. That is how you can share your location on Bolt with the various Bolt drivers. If you find this video helpful, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. Also ring that notification bell to never miss another update from us. Thank you for watching, and I will see you again in the next video.